I'm Josh Giumelli and we're back in the workshop today for Condina Group and Hare and Forbes Machinery Warehouse. We've got some more workshop tips. Today we're actually going to do something probably a little bit light-hearted. We're going to look at the humble cable tie. There are a lot of different types of cable ties out there and they're pretty handy things. You know, you used to be able to fix anything with duct tape. Well, I think you should probably put cable ties in that category as well. So let's kick it off. Probably seen white and black cable ties. So black cable ties have a little bit of carbon added to them to give them the black colour. These are the ones that you use outside because they'll last a lot longer. They're more resistant to UV light. Cable ties come in all sorts of sizes. Really big, really small. Generally speaking, sizes are 12mm, sort of down to about 3mm. So pretty popular sizes there. And in terms of construction, if you zoom in here, you can see standard cable ties have a plastic pawl. That's a little ratchet part that stops it coming undone. And these really high quality ones have a steel pawl in there. Makes them quite expensive, but they hold on like nobody's business. Now, cable ties are kind of a use once sort of thing. Chop it off if you want to get it undone. Not necessarily. This cable tie is a reusable cable tie. You see that little lever there? So if we put it on something, and tighten it up, want to get it undone, push that down, undone. Really good for, you know, tidying up wiring, extension cords, or anything you want to just neatly tidy up and then get undone in the future. Here are a couple of other interesting cable ties. This is called the double-headed cable tie. You might see that it's actually got two ratchets in the head. Now that's actually for tying back something of small diameter to something of larger diameter, or when you want to bunch up two things at the same time. I'll demonstrate it here. We can put it around our piece of pipe, and say we wanted to attach another cable to that, we could then come back and loop it round and go through the second head, the second ratchet, and tighten it up. And there we've got a pretty nice, neat job. Some other types of cable ties we've got. This is a mounting cable tie. So you can actually just screw that into a wall or whatever you want with a bit of framework, and then attach, you know, cabling or what have you back to the wall. This is a label tie, cable tie with a label on it. So pretty good if you just want to quickly add a label to something that you don't want to write on. On it goes. Pretty good for marking wiring, even your stereo system where you want to mark a whole lot of wires that all look the same, put a label on them and say what each one does. This cable tie here, this is a pretty special one. This is actually a stainless steel cable tie. It's pretty hard to see, but inside that cable tie there is this tiny little ball. Now, these are great for, you know, like attaching things that are hot, shrouds around exhaust systems, that sort of thing. Not sort of for everyday use because they can be quite sharp. So you need to be a little bit careful in terms of where you use those and how you cut the end of the cable tie off.